Dear students, today we are going to discuss on the importance or uses of microeconomics. Importance of microeconomics. Microeconomics is useful in analyzing how prices are determined in different markets and how resources are allocated. Microeconomics provide basis for conditional predictions. For example, if demand curve negatively sloped and supply curve positively sloped, then a price rise above the equilibrium price that will create a surplus in the market. It provides an analytical tool for economic policies affecting prices and production. Microeconomics also discuss the effects of government policies on prices of commodities and wages and their impacts on the allocation of resources that can be analyzed with the help of microeconomics. Then it can be used to examine the conditions of economic welfare. It can suggest methods to raise the level of consumption of goods and services. It is useful in decision making in the employment of resources in government programs. It is useful for understanding the operations of private enterprise economy. Let's find the limitations of microeconomics. Microeconomic analysis is based on the assumption of full employment, but full employment is not a normal condition. It is unrealistic method of economic analysis. Second one, microeconomic theories are applicable to laissez-faire capitalism characterized by perfect competition. But laissez-faire capitalism is not working. What is meant by laissez-faire? That is, let alone policy, that is, no governmental control. Then microeconomics studies only a part of the working of the economy. It is inadequate to get an overall picture of the functioning of the economy. Microeconomic theories are inadequate in analyzing several economic problems. These are the uses and limitation of microeconomics. Okay.